Okay, this is episode one of I don't know what this series is going to be called. I just want to say that I'm so excited to do this because I love football. मतलब मैं बचपन से फुटबॉल खेलता आया हूँ from the age of 5 or 6. My brother taught me football, and then my entire goal in life was to be able to beat my brother. And then I actually beat my brother, and then realized, oh wait, शायद मैं अच्छा खेल सकता हूँ. And so then I started playing, and I fell in love, and I started watching again because of my brother, and I fell in love with this club. I've been watching this club for about 20 years now. As a joke, a lot of my girlfriends say that you probably love football more than us, and I have never said no to that. So I thought that I watch too much football, I care too much about football, and if I'm not making content about it, then I'm probably wasting my time. So I thought, let's do it. करते हैं यार. Till now, I've only made short form content on Instagram, and as fun as it is, I was kind of getting bored of it because it was not really me. मुझे अपनी आवाज़ और अपनी बातें करने का जो टाइम चाहिए वो मुझे नहीं मिल रहा था उस शॉर्ट फॉर्म कंटेंट में. सो आई थॉट, हे मैन, लेट्स डू लॉन्ग फॉर्म फाइनली, एंड हियर वी आर. And the Premier League is back. The Premier League is back again. I was dying without football, and अब वापस फुटबॉल आ चुका है तो हम मज़े से अपना वीकेंड वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ मैं फुटबॉल देखते देखते. And I'm excited because the top 4 is going to be insane. All of the top 4 have made some great signings, and not just top 4. We can include the top 6 now, which is Tottenham also and United, even though both of them finished very below top 6. But लेकिन ये दोनों clubs ने भी बहुत incredible signings की है, and so it's going to be tough at the top. Like, it's going to be tight. We're going to talk about my predictions for the top 4, and I'm going to talk about the teams that might get relegated. Again, the relegation teams will be a bit tough because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ टीम्स जो अभी तक प्रीमियर लीग में हैं, जो पिछले कुछ सीजन से प्रीमियर लीग में सर्वाइव कर रही है, आई थिंक some of them are going to go. I don't think it's going to be the kind of season where all 3 of the promoted sides get relegated again. मुझे लग रहा है कि कोई जाने वाला है. But let's start off with the top 4. I think it's very obvious कि top 4 कौन होने वाली है apart from one team. क्योंकि top 3 is going to be Liverpool, Arsenal and City, right? Liverpool and Arsenal are obviously solid. Pretty obvious that वो लोग तो top 4 में रहने ही वाले हैं. How can you win the title and then make incredible signings to again win the title? I don't know. It just feels like Liverpool don't want to stop. Their momentum is great. I personally think that Liverpool are going to win again. It's too strong of a team for them to not win again. I know Trent गया, Luis Diaz गया, but मुझे लगता है कि Liverpool tactically are still, they have the bases, right? They have their midfield of Gravenberch, जो कि incredible था last season. They have their defense of Konate and Virgil. They have the most important attacking option, which is Mo Salah, and now they've bolstered their attack. Is that the right word? I think it is. Bolstered their attack with Ekitike and Florian Wirtz. Arsenal ने भी finally एक striker खरीद लिया. This guy ऐसा नहीं है भाई. ऐसा है, I think. Victor Gyökeres has been bought by Arsenal, and I don't know. I feel like I personally don't think Arsenal are going to win the league. Arsenal will easily get top 4, but मुझे नहीं लगता Arsenal win कर पाएगी. I don't think Arteta is that guy. He's not that guy, pal. I don't think he's elite of elite. I don't think he has, he's got Arsenal to a point where that's the best that he can do for them. The defense is solid. They're like probably the best defense in the Premier League. They have a style of play which is exciting, but I just don't think Arteta is that guy. I don't know. That's just my personal opinion. So they're not going to win, but they will come second or third. City have made some incredible signings. I mean, Tijani Reinders, भाई क्या player है भाई. AC मिलान में मैंने उसको देखा था. I saw him initially only while he was not even scoring goals. Even at the beginning of the season, I could see that this guy has something. इसके पास कुछ है. He's creative with the ball. He's responsible with the ball. And along with the creativity, by the end of the season, he found the goals that are needed to push that player to the next level. And he found the goals right off the bat at Manchester City. City in general, they had an off season, and sure, they won the treble before that. So ठीक है, एक season गंदा चला गया, but City is going to be good as well, which brings me to my 4th pick, which is the bias that I've got right here. It's going to be Chelsea Football Club, who are going to be 4th, and I think यही order होने वाला है. It's going to be City and Arsenal might be good switch, but I think Chelsea will be 4th and Liverpool will be 1. Chelsea का problem ये है कि यार Chelsea में I personally think बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं कि squad kit. Actually, you know what? I don't want to talk about Chelsea right now. I'll make a different video out of that. But I am just going to say that Chelsea will not get top 4 easily. I think it will be tough considering Tottenham and United have good squads now. Especially United, they have a great squad. It's going to be tough, but I think we will get top 4 because accumulated over the season, I think we'll have enough progression that we get the top 4. That's my prediction for the top 4. Now, relegation is interesting क्योंकि मुझे नहीं लगता कि जो टीम्स इस साल प्रमोट हुई है वो सारी की सारी रेलीगेट होने वाली है लाइक लास्ट सीजन. आई थिंक वन ऑफ द ओल्ड टीम्स जो इतने सालों से प्रीमियर लीग में है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोई ना कोई तो गिरने वाला है बिकॉज सम टीम्स हैव नॉट रियली हैव हैड अ गुड ट्रांसफर विंडो एंड दे हैव नॉट रियली प्रिपेयर्ड राइटली इन माय ओपिनियन. सबसे बड़ा एग्जांपल मेरे हिसाब से एंड दिस इज माय फर्स्ट पिक टू गेट रेलीगेटेड. आई थिंक ब्रेंटफोर्ड आर गॉन. आई थिंक दे गॉन मेट. आई थिंक दे आर क्योंकि टॉमस फ्रैंक के जाने के बाद एम्बुएमो भी जा चुका है और विसा भी जाने वाला है क्योंकि उसने भी अपनी डीपी हटा दी है, उसने भी अकाउंट काला कर दिया है. ही इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू गो. सो आई जस्ट डोंट सी देम मेकिंग इट मैन विद दिस न्यू मैनेजर हु अगेन लॉस्ट really badly to Nottingham, you know, first match day. I'm just getting not good vibes from Brentford, right? Second, I think will be Burnley, and I'll tell you why. Because सब लोग उसको प्रेस कर रहे थे, सब लोग बर्नली को प्रेस कर रहे थे for the fact that they conceded really less goals in the championship last year. पहले ही मैच डे पे उन्होंने टॉटनहम से 3 गोल खा लिए. That was supposed to be sort of their strength, and if that is their strength, then I don't know their weakness is going to help them even a little bit. So Burnley is the second team that I think is going to get relegated, and third is difficult because Sunderland won against West Ham, which was great, and they played good football. Leeds are also playing good football, so it's difficult, but I'm going to predict Sunderland. I don't think Leeds will go down because I think Leeds have that firstly Scott Parker is their manager. I think he's a decent manager. Secondly, I think they have the money, bro. They just have that mentality now and that money that they just like it won't happen in my opinion. Brentford, Burnley and Sunderland. I think these are my picks. It also could be Wolves because Wolves की भी transfer window अच्छी नहीं गई है. Their manager is also, I don't know. I'm not feeling the vibes from Wolves as well. But like yeah, it's going to be close. It's going to be a good relegation battle. Last year it was very clear कि ये team जा रही है. अब it's going to be a bit tight. So yeah, that is my predictions for this year, for this Premier League season. I'm super excited to treat Creative Quartet. I think मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है करने में बिकॉज आई डोंट नो इतना मैं बकबक करता हूँ फुटबॉल. आई थॉट कैमरे पे बकबक कर देता है. सो या दिस इज माय फर्स्ट वीडियो. आई एम गोना डू दिस एवरी वीक. थैंक यू गाइस सो मच. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू विल वॉच दिस फ्रॉम माय इंस्टाग्राम, बट जो भी आए हैं a couple of people have already started, you know, I've been talking to them, I've been trying to build a community, and this is the start of that, and this is only going to get bigger and better. So please follow my journey, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.